Today I want to talk about monoterpenols, and in particular I want to talk about linalool. So linalool is a component most of us are very familiar with. It's one of the first, it's the safe component. It's one of the first ones that we learn. It's in so many essential oils that it's really important to understand the effects of linalool and the therapeutic properties of it. But before we dive into linalool and the essential oil in which it represents today, I want to talk just a little bit about monoterpenols. So monoterpenols tend, due to their molecular weight, they tend to be less volatile than monoterpenes, and they're typically known for their aromatics, which is exactly why I'm using them today. So the blend I'm making today is called Sleep Baby Sleep. So no matter what you need or what tools you use to help you get to sleep, for me it's massage. So what I'm going to make today is a really simple but really effective, beautiful blend full of monoterpenols, full of beautiful aromatic plants, and it's for my pre-sleep routine. So I'm going to take a 100ml bottle, and I'm going to use my scales and split the blend 50-50. So 50% hemp, so I love hemp as a pre-sleep aid, and then cumin. So if you are a LabAroma user, you've noticed this year, or you've had the benefit this year of having all our new base content. So we worked with Danielle Sade, wonderful Danielle, at the start of the year to enhance our content. Because, you know, carrier oils, I always feel, are the overlooked heroes in our world. And if we really understand our carriers, they're not just a vehicle for essential oils, they're therapeutic in their own right. So Danielle really enhanced the content in LabAroma and sort of taught us how to do work with formulation guidance, consider their cosmogenic value, how we could look at their safety and their therapeutic use. So if you haven't done that, go and explore that on LabAroma. It's really interesting. So cumin is one of the oils I really like for a sleep preparation. My essential oils is really simple. I am just going to use 20 drops in this blend. I'm going to use 10 of whole wood, and the reason whole wood's in here is because of the amount of linalool in it. So linalool in my whole wood is really high. So I'm going to use 10 drops. So this blend in total is 55% monoterpenol content and 50% linalool content, which mostly is contributed by the whole wood. Now I'm going to use Rose Absolute, which is just divine. There's no words to explain how beautiful that oil is. So I'm going to use 5 drops, which feels like a bit luxurious, but I always think less is more, but when it comes to rose, it's worth the treat. So 5 drops. And rose is a real thick oil, not necessarily a resinous per se, but it's definitely thick. So it needs a wee bit of patience, but it's worth it. 5. And if you get an extra one, all the better. And then Kanuka. So I love Kanuka. I've used Kanuka for a long time. And I'm going to use 5 drops of Kanuka. And I like it as my immune supporter, but also as a really nice calming oil before bed. So a really simple essential oil blend. And sometimes, you know, we can use 10, 15 oils in our blends, and that's fine if it's warranted. But sometimes a blend with 3 essential oils is perfect. Sometimes less is more. So this is my Sleep Baby Sleep blend. I use it as a massage oil. You can use that essential oil combination, rework your mouth on LabAroma and make an inhaler or a pillow spray or a bath soak, however you want to use Sleep Baby Sleep to help you get over to sleep. So try it. Let me know if you make substitutes and let me know what you think.